Hey guys, I am going to quickly transfer a picture for a class that I'm doing this afternoon. The Frugal Crafter did a class with Michaels and I signed up for it. So I need to get the lesson picture transferred onto a piece of paper. I've got some of the Metien's Canson Metiens, I believe is what it, Canson Metiens. I've got a piece of toned paper and I have already set it up with the photograph of the image that I need to transfer in the DaVinci Eye. And I want you to see that you can transfer line drawings straight to any kind of surface. I happen to be using this pastel paper. I'm drawing with a Derwent Lightfast. I'm going to sketch really lightly. I want you to be able to see my phone here. So if you want to know how to set up DaVinci Eye in the AR mode, go and check out the video right up here. It's my step-by-step. It was from a live stream on how to use the DaVinciEyeApp. But what I'm going to do is go in here, and I'm noticing that I can't see through this image really well. So I'm going to click on the opacity and turn the opacity down just a bit. So now I can see the tip of my pencil better. So let's just trace along the lines. I don't need to be super specific. I'm not drawing really hard. And I can move my picture around. I don't like to trace exactly when I'm doing a lesson from a different artist. I want to get my own hand in here too. So, you just do what you need to do to make it work for you. I do like this sort of fancy romantic lace. But it's definitely a picture that you can do your... I'm going to skip over the bits that are hidden by the anchor because I can fill it in. It's only hidden by the anchor because I chose to use a very narrow piece of paper. And I'm using this sort of light brown chestnut colored pencil. Oh yeah, there. See, you can see how far I am here. I can check it out on the screen and I can check it out on my paper. Cool, huh? So let's see. I'm going to come down here. I just figured some of you guys might like to know, if you don't have a printer, how you can transfer images from classes. The teacher has a printable for you or a traceable for you. But you don't have a way to print it. This is a great way to get your traceables put down onto your paper. And it actually helps your eye learn how to move your hand along the paper or along the image. It helps to train your eye because I'm staring at this little screen right here. I'm not watching my hand down here, except through the screen. So let's see here. There's another little bit. And this is all really loose and really, just suggestions. It's all suggestions. Let's see here. I hope that you found this interesting, that you are using this little app. It really and truly, an app like this just makes it so easy. Sort of tucking in underneath of that piece of paper there. A little bit of the ruffle. An app like this just makes it so easy to lay in a quick sketch. I'm not worried, like I said, I'm not worried about making these perfect. Really, I just wanted to get the sketch down on the paper, and I can adjust it when I go to the class. Lindsay's request was that you have your paper or have your image transferred to the paper already. So that's what I'm doing. Just transferring that image. And this is a piece of ribbon. And I just made that go really wide. That's okay. There. I'm going to make that thread come around there. And I think that this really, except for a bit of refining here and there, I think this is perfectly fine for the class. So what I'm going to do is just get ready. I've got my pencils. I've got my image transferred here. And I can just make it up as I go for that top edge. Don't fuss and fume over it. This is fun stuff. It's not hard art. This is fun art. Thank you guys so much for hanging out and checking this out. If you want to see how Lindsay teaches how to paint this in, please check out the Frugal Crafter Michael's class on color blending. And yeah, I'm excited. I hope you are too. Oh, hey, check out my other videos on the channel. And if you're interested in more fun art like this and quick little uses of technology with art and doing your own art, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Share the videos with your friends, and remember to go out and do something creative. Take care of yourself so you can take care of those around you. I want to see you back here again really soon. Bye-bye.